homeowner asks for an estimate. You inspect the job, write the quote, send it, and then hear nothing. 3 weeks later, you see another company's truck at the house. The problem may not have been your price. The customer may have been busy, uncertain, or waiting for one simple question to be answered. In this video, we'll build a small AI-assisted follow-up system for missed calls, open estimates, and older leads. It will tell you who needs attention, what to say, and when to stop, without turning your business into a spam machine.
I meant to reply, but the estimate got buried and I wasn't sure what the next step was.
Good follow-up reduces uncertainty. It confirms that a message arrived, gives the customer an easy next step, and keeps your schedule from depending on memory. Bad follow-up creates pressure, repeats the same sales pitch, or continues after the customer says no. AI should help organize and draft. It should not decide who to contact, send messages automatically, create urgency, offer discounts, change prices, or promise availability. You approve every contact, every fact, and every stopping point. Also follow the communication, consent, and marketing rules that apply to your location and the method you use. Start with 4 stages. Stage 1 is a missed call or new inquiry that still needs a response. Stage 2 is an estimate you promised but have not finished. Stage 3 is an estimate the customer received but has not answered. Stage 4 is an older lead that may deserve one final check-in before you archive it. Keep the stages visible in a notebook, spreadsheet, or customer management tool you already understand. Each lead needs only a few verified fields: customer name, service requested, last contact date, current stage, agreed next action, and whether contact is still appropriate. Remove sensitive information the task does not need. Use this prompt. Act as an administrative assistant for my handyman business. Organize the lead notes below into 4 groups: new inquiries needing a response, promised estimates needing completion, sent estimates awaiting a reply, and older leads eligible for one final check-in. For each lead, show the verified last contact, the agreed next action, and any information I must confirm before contacting them. Do not invent dates, prices, discounts, urgency, availability, customer intent, or consent. Do not send anything. Put unclear or inappropriate contacts in a review needed group. Lead notes, then paste only the information required for the task. The result is a review list, not permission to contact everyone on it. For a missed call, speed matters, but accuracy still matters more. Give AI the known facts. A homeowner called about a sticking interior door. You are currently on a job, and you can review the request later today. Ask for a message under 70 words with one clear next step, and no promise of price or availability. Hi, this is Jordan with Example Handyman Service. I'm currently with a customer and saw your call about an interior door. Please text the best address area and a short description of the issue. I'll review the information later today and let you know the appropriate next step. Please don't send payment or other sensitive information by text.
Thanks. I'll send a short description and wait for you to review it.
Notice what the message does not do. It does not claim the job is accepted, provide a price, or promise an appointment. For a sent estimate, your first goal is delivery and clarity, not closing the sale in one text. A useful message might say, "Hi, Taylor. I'm checking that you received the estimate for the bedroom door adjustment discussed on Tuesday. If you have questions about the listed scope or exclusions, reply here and I'll review them." No work is scheduled until we confirm the scope, price, and an available date. Verify the customer, project, date, contact method, in every statement before sending. If you attached a document, confirm that it is actually attached. AI loves to mention attachments that do not exist unless you give it firm boundaries. Create a short sequence that matches your business and applicable rules. For example, confirm delivery after the estimate is sent, send one helpful question, several business days later if no reply arrives, and make one final check-in later before archiving the lead. Those intervals are examples, not universal rules. Choose timing that is appropriate for the request, the customer's expectations, and your local requirements. Stop immediately when the customer declines, asks not to be contacted, chooses another provider, or the communication is no longer appropriate. Record the outcome so the same lead does not reappear next week. An older lead deserves a different tone. Do not pretend the customer is still interested. Try, "Hi, Morgan. I'm closing out older requests and wanted to check once before archiving your inquiry about the damaged closet door. If you still want the project reviewed, reply with any updated information. If not, no action is needed, and I'll close the request." This gives the customer control and gives you a clean stopping point. Before using it, confirm that the request, contact information, and permission to communicate are still valid. Never use AI to resurrect a list of people who did not agree to ongoing marketing. Turn the system into a 10-minute routine. First, update yesterday's outcomes. Second, review new inquiries and promised estimates. Third, ask AI to organize today's review list. Fourth, verify and personalize each draft. Fifth, send only the messages you intentionally approve using the appropriate business channel. Finally, record what happened in the next agreed action. Do not paste passwords, payment card details, private identification numbers, access codes, or unnecessary customer history into an AI tool. The system works because the list stays current, not because the software is complicated. You'll find the organization prompt and message examples in the description. Start with 5 real leads, remove unnecessary private information, and see whether the system reveals an estimate or inquiry you forgot. Which stage causes the most lost work in your business? Missed calls, unfinished estimates, unanswered estimates, or older leads? Tell me below. Subscribe to AI Work Crew for practical AI systems built for local service businesses. In the next video, we'll use AI to ask for customer reviews at the right moment and respond professionally without sounding pushy or automated.